Hello everyone, dear friends, there's a lot of styrofoam around me for a reason, all because in today's video I want to show you 3 ideas with an unusual application of this miracle material. Some of the ideas are unique, I'm sure you haven't seen them anywhere yet, so be sure to watch this video to the end, cause I hope that some of these will definitely come in handy. But we will not waste time in vain and proceed to the first idea. Let's go. For the first idea, we need a penoplex foundation or penoplex gel. Unfortunately, in Moldovan stores before the new year, they were sold out everywhere, even in construction stores. The only thing I could at least find was penoplex comfort. In principle, the basis is the same, the only difference between these brands is only the compression load. For example, penoplex comfort, which I have, is 0.18 megapascal, penoplex foundation is 0.27 megapascal, while on gel is 0.30 megapascal. Around the perimeter of the penoplex there are such sides. These locks we need to cut with a knife or use the usual nichrome thread. This blank is too big for me, so I will shorten it a little. Attention guys, the waste that we have left in any case don't throw away, cause in the subsequent video there will be a few more ideas with the use of these wastes. Now we need some kind of circle or compass to circle the corners of the penoplex and then cut it out. We draw the lines. And make slits. Many of you may ask, well, what is it? And these, guys, is a great alternative to the purchased bath mat. As you have noticed, purchased mats always get wet. They are cold, especially when wet. They need to be squeezed out, dried. Well, this penoplex, especially if you do not have underfloor heating in the country, and when you get out of the bath, you stand on a cold cage, then it is best to make a homemade mat out of penoplex here. All the water will flow through these slots, you just need to lift the penoplex, wipe it, it doesn't get wet through. So warm, efficient, cheap and angry, so in the country it is a necessary thing. For the second idea, I will also use penoplex and metal pipe. We put the pipe to the penoplex and circle it. And now, with the help of a hot knife, we cut it out. Now, with the help of a hot knife, we create as many different lumps, bumps, pits, convolutions as possible. In the future, all these irregularities will greatly help to our health, so don't save your time and labor now, cause later it will definitely pay off. So guys, here's what we got. This is a massage roller for the trigger points. If you still don't know what trigger points are, be sure to read about it on the internet, because often many people suffer from headaches, back pain, muscle pain for more than 1 year, and they are not helped by any ointments or medications, and all because of the fact that the problems are often associated with the trigger points. You form like the muscle nodules, and they pull you tighter and tighter, so it is these trigger points that need to be broken with the help of such a roller. With the help of it, you will be possible to engage in myofascial therapy. You can relax the muscles after exertion, increase joint mobility, and also improve the metabolic process in the tissues. And most importantly, with the help of this roller, you can restore the functionality of muscle groups after injuries. I don't know about you, but in Moldova, at one time there was an insane demand for these rollers. In addition, the deficit is on them. And even if they were sold somewhere, it was for a lot of money. Now I am very glad that we were able to find such a solution from Penoplex to make a homemade roller. In addition, you can make it for yourself. To begin with, make it smoother. Then, if the muscles don't hurt much, add reliefs and pump your muscles and feel much better. For the next idea, we will need a glass cup and a crown of slightly larger diameter. With this crown, we make 3 holes. After everything is leveled, sand it, cut out the bottom. At medium temperature, we process it with a construction dryer. So guys, the third idea is ready. As many of you may have already guessed, this is a thermocup, but not the usual one. In this still old pirate style, in which rum or wine was poured, and then they were made of wood. But our mug, of course, is not made of wood, but of styrofoam. So once again, in a cold winter, in a cold garage, when you want to brew yourself hot tea and warm up a little, but accidentally get distracted, then you do not have to drink cold tea or reheat it, because in such a thermocup, your tea will remain hot much longer. But that's all for today. Thank you so much for your attention. Have a good day, take care of yourself and your family, and bye-bye.